acquisition by Lazada back in 2016. And then went on to lead my own startup for about 3 years, learned a ton, crashed a ton, failed a ton, but I think there's a lot of interesting insights from the F4 experience itself.
Picture a world where the rhythm of the market is like the ebb and flow of the tide, and every decision holds the promise of adventure. In this landscape of opportunity and risk, we find ourselves at the crossroads of informed choices and exciting prospects. Join us as we embark on an enthralling journey guided by a financial virtuoso, navigating the choppy waters of investment trends, deciphering the mysteries of bubbles, and creating a blueprint for strategic decision-making. This voyage promises to enlighten, engage, and empower, inviting you to explore the realm of finance in a whole new light. So let's hoist the sails of curiosity and set forth on this enthralling financial odyssey together. Welcome to our insightful discussion series, where we delve into a diverse range of topics. The temptation of market bubbles and the fear of missing out market bubbles, often accompanied by a potent psychological phenomenon known as fear of missing out, FOMO, exert a magnetic pull on investors. Our esteemed expert, having traversed the investment landscape, elucidates the dangerous allure inherent in succumbing to the charms of market bubbles. It's during these periods that the allure of quick and immense profits becomes overpowering, eclipsing rational judgment and steering individuals towards hasty decisions. The expert emphasizes that it's imperative to resist the urge to participate in speculative fervor driven by FOMO and instead advocate for a measured and disciplined approach to investments. By understanding and mitigating the psychological influences that guide decision-making during these euphoric phases, investors can chart a more prudent and sustainable course toward long-term financial success. Superbubbles. Unveiled. Unraveling the traits of extraordinary market phenomena.
So much research has already been done about the stock market. So this will to innovate is really about developing that knowledge even further.
Distinguishing ordinary market cycles from superbubbles necessitates an intricate comprehension of their defining traits. Our expert delves deep into these characteristics, unveiling the underlying dynamics that contribute to the formation and eventual bursting of superbubbles. Prolonged periods of bullish sentiment driven by irrational speculation and remarkably rapid growth rates stand as the pivotal attributes of superbubbles. Drawing parallels with historical instances, our expert identifies the specific markers that indicate the transition from genuine growth to speculative frenzy. Armed with this nuanced understanding, investors can effectively differentiate between sustainable expansion and the treacherous allure of speculative exuberance that typically heralds market downturns. Drawing lessons from history, parallels with the Nasdaq and the tech bubble.
Nasdaq 100's big makeover is underway, but how effective will it be?
An Oramic View of market dynamics and their repercussions. Our expert deftly weaves parallels between the contemporary market landscape and the iconic tech bubble of 2000. By focusing on the role of the Nasdaq and the performance of speculative stocks, he underscores noteworthy similarities that provide invaluable guidance for navigating uncertain times. Leveraging the Nasdaq's trajectory as a benchmark, our expert highlights its uncanny resemblance to its 2000 counterpart, shedding light on the predictive power of historical analogies. This profound perspective empowers investors to anticipate and strategically respond to market shifts by learning from past experiences. Navigating the precarious signs of a looming market downturn. Astute investors recognize that understanding market indicators is paramount to surviving potential market crashes unscathed. Our expert painstakingly dissects these indicators, notably focusing on the downward spiral of speculative stocks and the corresponding decline of the Nasdaq index. The revelation that over 40% of Nasdaq-listed stocks have suffered dramatic drops, exceeding 50%, serves as a sobering reminder of market fragility. By adeptly interpreting these signals, investors can proactively rebalance their portfolios and mitigate potential losses. Armed with the insights gleaned from the precipitous decline of speculative stocks, individuals can respond thoughtfully to changing market conditions and capitalize on emerging opportunities. The complex dance of inflation and interest rates in the stock market. The intricate interplay among inflation, interest rates, and the stock market underscores the profound influence of macroeconomic factors on market dynamics. Our seasoned expert provides an exhaustive examination of historical trends, delving into the conventional belief that escalating inflation dampens price-earnings ratios. However, he challenges this norm by showcasing the recent period of surging inflation coupled with sustained price-earnings ratios. This intriguing anomaly prompts a deeper exploration of the forces at play, unraveling the intricate threads that have contributed to this unique scenario. By critically evaluating these factors, investors gain a holistic perspective on the interrelationship between inflation, interest rates, and the stock market. Central Bank's Delicate Balancing Act, Managing Inflation and Economic Growth. Central banks, exemplified by the Federal Reserve, Fed, wield unparalleled influence over economic stability and inflation containment. Our insightful expert adeptly navigates the multifaceted role of central banks, highlighting the precarious equilibrium they must maintain between stimulating economic growth and curtailing inflationary pressures. The delicate dance between government policies and monetary decisions takes center stage, underscored by the imperative to uphold public confidence while fostering a resilient economy. With an astute eye on this intricate interplay, investors gain a profound understanding of the forces shaping economic trajectories and the subsequent impact on market trends.
There are many investors, and especially traders, who believe volatility is the best measure of risk that we have.
And remains a cornerstone of prudent investment strategies, serving as a potent shield against market volatility. Our expert accentuates the paramount significance of constructing a well-diversified portfolio that encompasses high-quality stocks across diverse sectors and global markets. By highlighting the resilience of emerging markets during times of uncertainty, he presents a compelling case for expanding investments beyond familiar territories. This strategic approach not only minimizes vulnerability to risk, but also positions investors to capitalize on growth prospects across various industries and geographical regions. As investors engage in rigorous diversification, they bolster their resilience to market fluctuations and lay the foundation for long-term success. Transitioning beyond the golden era, adapting to changing economic landscapes. The era characterized by robust profit margins and favorable corporate taxation is undergoing a transformative shift, necessitating astute adaptability. Our expert delves into the implications of this transition for the broader market ecosystem. With a keen focus on demographic shifts, particularly dwindling birth rates, he illuminates the potential ramifications on future economic growth. This sagacious perspective equips investors with the foresight to dynamically recalibrate their strategies in alignment with evolving economic dynamics. By staying attuned to changing demographics and market trends, investors can proactively position themselves to harness the opportunities that accompany transformational shifts. Cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, and the quest for intrinsic value. The meteoric rise of cryptocurrencies, epitomized by Bitcoin, has spurred global fascination and fervent debates. Our expert conducts a meticulous evaluation of their intrinsic value proposition and their evolving role within the contemporary financial landscape. By subjecting Bitcoin's status as a store of value to rigorous scrutiny, he initiates pertinent discussions on its stability and long-term viability. This discerning analysis not only navigates the complexities of cryptocurrencies, but also highlights the critical importance of distinguishing between speculative assets and investments rooted in tangible value creation. Armed with this discerning insight, investors can approach the cryptocurrency realm with clarity and informed decision-making. Crafting a long-term outlook, actionable strategies, and prudent counsel. As we approach the conclusion, our expert imparts actionable insights and strategic counsel for investors navigating the dynamic market landscape. He ardently advises against succumbing to FOMO-driven impulses, urging instead a deliberate focus on value-oriented investment approaches. By identifying undervalued markets and maintaining prudent cash reserves, he spotlights the allure of capitalizing on buying opportunities during market corrections. This sage guidance underscores the significance of informed and disciplined strategies, empowering investors to deftly navigate the intricate nuances of the market arena. As you embark on your investment journey armed with these insights, you're poised to make informed decisions that resonate across both current and future market landscapes. As we draw the curtains on this immersive journey through the labyrinthine corridors of finance, we find ourselves at the crossroads of insight and action. The wisdom shared by our seasoned navigator serves as a compass, pointing toward a realm of prudent decision-making and strategic endeavors. Armed with a deeper understanding of market dynamics, the significance of value-driven investments, and the art of resisting the siren call of FOMO, you now possess the tools to chart your own course in the unpredictable sea of finance. As you step forth with renewed confidence, remember that the world of investments is ever evolving, a symphony of opportunities and challenges that demands both diligence and adaptability. But before we part ways, we encourage you to stay connected and engaged. Don't miss out on future expeditions into the realms of finance and wisdom. Like, subscribe and hit that notification bell to ensure you're always at the forefront of financial knowledge. Until we embark on our next adventure together, may your investments flourish and your decisions be prosperous. Happy investing!